Hi, it's Sue Adler here from Keller Williams Realty, and today I am here to invite you to our upcoming seller workshop. So we found that homeowners who have been in their home for many years often feel very overwhelmed with the thought of putting their home on the market. They have so much stuff in their homes. They're concerned about repairs they have to make. What do they have to do to get their homes ready for the market? Well, we're here to demystify the home selling process for you, and that is what our seller workshop is basically going to do. We're going to start with home staging, which repairs are necessary and which aren't necessary. We want to make sure that if you're spending money to put your house on the market, that you're going to make money back. We don't want you spending money in the wrong places. We're also going to talk about timing. You know, everybody thinks, oh, I want to put my house on the market when my flowers are in bloom, but maybe that's not the best time to put your house on the market because that's when everyone else is putting their house on the market. So we will go through, I have stats, I have data on everything. So we'll sit down and we'll determine which is the best time for you to put your house on the market. So you will also learn about pricing your home to create the most interest, which will keep you in the driver's seat throughout the whole transaction. And you'll also learn what happens when you overprice your home, which puts the buyer in the driver's seat. And then if you do make that mistake, what steps you should take to correct that quickly. We will talk about marketing and creating the widest reach for your home. Is it the local buyer? Is it the buyer from Hoboken, Jersey City, Brooklyn, Manhattan? Relocation buyers. So casting a wide net will create the most interest, which will get you top dollar. And we'll discuss all of that. The photography is hugely important. We will have a professional photographer to talk about drone photography, twilight photography, just wide-angle lens photography, HDR, is that what it's called, Peter? HDR?
Yes.
Okay, he's the photographer. HDR photography, which brings the greenery outside in. You know when you see those photos and they have the whited out windows? You don't want to have that. You want to make sure that your greenery comes inside. We'll talk about taking exterior photos of your house now instead of waiting until the winter when everybody else shows their homes with leafless trees. So how can you give yourself the edge in putting your home on the market? There's so much more. We'll have an hour and a half. We'll have snacks for you. You'll be able to ask our entire team questions. We'll have a stager there for you to talk to. So go to sueadler.com/events. Again, sueadler.com/events, and look at the dates and sign up. Thanks for listening.